Lake Como, a jewel in Italy's crown, embodies timeless beauty. Nestled amidst the foothills of the Alps, the lake shimmers under the Italian sun. Its shores are dotted with charming villages and historic villas. The air is fresh, carrying the scent of cypress and citrus. This is a place to escape, to relax, and to soak in the Italian dolce vita. Lake Como has captivated visitors for centuries. Romans built their villas here, drawn to its beauty. Artists and writers have found inspiration in its landscapes. Today, it remains a haven for those seeking tranquility and luxury. The lake's allure is undeniable, promising an unforgettable Italian experience. As you arrive, the lake unfolds before you like a silk ribbon. The water sparkles, reflecting the surrounding mountains. Lush greenery cascades down to the water's edge. Elegant villas peek out from the foliage, whispering tales of bygone eras. Lake Como is a feast for the senses, a symphony of sights, sounds, and scents. Take a deep breath and let the serenity wash over you. This is Lake Como, where history, nature, and Italian charm intertwine. It's a place to wander through cobblestone streets, to savor delicious cuisine, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Welcome to a world of beauty, elegance, and unforgettable experiences. Lake Como is famous for its opulent villas. These architectural gems, dating back centuries, stand as testaments to a glamorous past. Surrounded by meticulously manicured gardens, they offer a glimpse into a world of luxury and refinement. One such villa is Villa del Balbianello. Perched on a wooded peninsula, it commands breathtaking views of the lake. Its terraced gardens are a delight to explore, with hidden pathways and exotic plants. The villa itself is a masterpiece, with elegant interiors and a rich history. It has even graced the silver screen, appearing in films like Star Wars and Casino Royale. Another must-see is Villa Carlotta. This grand villa houses a renowned art collection featuring works by Canova and Hayes. Its botanical gardens are equally impressive, boasting a riot of colors and fragrances. Stroll through avenues of ancient trees, admire the vibrant flower beds, and discover hidden fountains. These villas are not just architectural marvels, they are living museums. They transport you back in time, offering a glimpse into the lives of the aristocracy. Be sure to visit at least one villa during your trip to Lake Como. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. Lake Como is a paradise for nature lovers. Its breathtaking landscapes have inspired poets, artists, and travelers for centuries. The combination of sparkling water, verdant mountains, and charming villages creates a visual symphony that is both dramatic and serene. One of the best ways to appreciate the lake's beauty is from above. Take a funicular ride to Brunate, a charming village perched high above Como. From here, you can enjoy panoramic views of the lake, the city, and the surrounding mountains. On a clear day, you can even see the distant Swiss Alps. For a more adventurous experience, hike to the top of Monte San Primo. This challenging but rewarding hike offers stunning 360-degree views of the entire region. From the summit, you can marvel at the lake's unique shape, resembling an upside-down Y. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll along the lakefront promenade or a challenging mountain hike, Lake Como has something to offer everyone. Its natural beauty is a constant source of wonder and inspiration. Don't forget to bring your camera. You'll want to capture every breathtaking moment. No trip to Italy is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Lake Como is a culinary destination in its own right, offering a tantalizing blend of traditional Lombard dishes and fresh seafood. From rustic trattorias to Michelin-starred restaurants, there's something to satisfy every palate. Start your day with a classic Italian breakfast of cappuccino and brioche. Then, head to a local market to sample regional specialties. Look for fresh cheeses like taleggio and gorgonzola, cured meats like prosciutto and salami, and locally grown fruits and vegetables. For lunch, try a plate of risotto con pesce persico, a creamy risotto made with perch from the lake. Another must-try is polenta uncia, a hearty dish of polenta topped with melted cheese and butter. In the evening, savor a delicious meal of lake fish, grilled meats, and fresh pasta. Don't forget to pair your meal with a glass of local wine. The Lombardy region is known for its excellent wines, including the sparkling Franciacorta and the full-bodied Nebbiolo. End your meal with a scoop of gelato or a slice of tiramisu, and toast to the good life on Lake Como. One of the best ways to experience Lake Como is from the water. Hop aboard a ferry, a private boat, or even a traditional Venetian gondola, and set sail on the shimmering waters. The gentle rocking of the boat, the fresh breeze in your hair, and the stunning views create an unforgettable experience. Ferries are a convenient and affordable way to explore the lake's charming villages. They run regularly between the main towns, offering a scenic way to hop from one destination to the next. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the views as you glide across the water. For a more intimate experience, rent a private boat. You can captain your own vessel or hire a skipper to guide you. Explore hidden coves, stop for a swim in the crystal-clear waters, and enjoy a romantic picnic lunch with a view. If you're looking for a truly special experience, consider hiring a traditional Venetian gondola. These elegant boats, rowed by gondoliers in striped shirts, evoke a sense of romance and nostalgia. Glide through the canals of Bellagio, serenaded by the sound of the water lapping against the boat, and create a memory that will last a lifetime. Bellagio, known as the Pearl of Lake Como, is a picturesque village located at the tip of the peninsula that divides the lake into two branches. With its colorful houses, cobblestone streets, and stunning lake views, Bellagio is a must-visit destination. Stroll along the waterfront promenade, lined with elegant shops and cafes. Explore the narrow alleys that wind their way through the village, discovering hidden courtyards and charming boutiques. Visit the Basilica of San Giacomo, a Romanesque church dating back to the 12th century. Don't miss the gardens of Villa Melzideril. These stunning gardens, designed in the early 19th century, offer breathtaking views of the lake. Stroll through the manicured lawns, admire the exotic plants, and discover hidden statues and fountains. Bellagio is also home to the iconic Grand Hotel Villa Serbelloni. This luxurious hotel, dating back to the 19th century, has hosted royalty, celebrities, and discerning travelers from around the world. Even if you're not staying at the hotel, you can enjoy a drink or a meal at one of its restaurants, soaking up the elegant ambience and the stunning lake views. On the opposite shore of Bellagio lies Varenna, another charming village that embodies the beauty of Lake Como. With its pastel-colored houses, waterfront promenade, and stunning views, Varenna offers a more tranquil alternative to its bustling neighbor. Explore the narrow cobblestone streets that wind their way up the hillside. Discover hidden squares and courtyards adorned with colorful flowers. Visit the Church of San Giorgio, a Romanesque church dating back to the 13th century, and admire its beautiful frescoes. Take a stroll along the Passeggiata degli Innamorati, the Lover's Walk, a romantic pathway that hugs the lakeshore. Enjoy the fresh air, the sound of the waves lapping against the rocks, and the stunning views of the lake and the surrounding mountains. For a unique experience, visit Villa Monastero. This former monastery, dating back to the 12th century, is now a museum and a conference center. Explore its elegant rooms, admire its art collection, and stroll through its beautiful botanical gardens, which stretch for almost 2 kilometers along the lakeshore. The city of Como, located at the southern tip of the lake, is the region's cultural hub and a great base for exploring the surrounding area. With its historic center, charming waterfront promenade, and lively atmosphere, Como offers a taste of authentic Italian life. Explore the Piazza del Duomo, the heart of the city. Admire the Duomo, a magnificent Gothic cathedral dating back to the 14th century. Visit the Broletto, a 13th century palace that now houses the city's historical archives. Take a stroll along the Lungolago, the scenic waterfront promenade. Enjoy the views of the lake, the mountains, and the elegant villas that line the shore. Stop for a coffee or a gelato at one of the many cafes and bars. For a unique perspective of the city, take a ride on the funicular to Brunete. From the top, you can enjoy panoramic views of Como, the lake, and the surrounding mountains. On a clear day, you can even see the distant Swiss Alps. Lake Como, with its breathtaking landscapes, charming villages, and luxurious villas, continues to captivate travelers from around the world. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, or cultural immersion, Lake Como offers an unforgettable Italian experience. Imagine yourself strolling along the picturesque waterfront promenades, indulging in delectable Italian cuisine, and exploring the opulent villas that grace the lakeshore. Picture yourself gliding across the shimmering waters on a traditional boat, surrounded by breathtaking views of the lake and mountains. Lake Como is a destination that stays with you long after you've left. It's a place to escape the everyday, to reconnect with nature, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, embrace the Italian Dolce Vita, and discover the magic of Lake Como for yourself.